time frames. Okay, so on any financial instrument, it can be FX, shares, you can view different time frames of price moving throughout the time frame selected. So each candle represents a day's worth of price movement. So let's drop down to the 4-hour chart. So each one of these candles represents 4 hours of price movement. So every single candle you see on this screen represents 4 hours of price action or price movement. Now, a good trick in TradingView is if you just hover over the candle, you can see what time it opened. So here you can see this candle opened at 9 AM, and again, this is a 4-hour candle. So the next candle opens at 1 PM and the candle after that opens at 5 PM. And again, let's take a look at the 12-hour. So the 12-hour represents 2 candles within the daily time frame. So within every daily candle there are 2 12-hour candles. Now again, this is all going to start to make sense as we go through this course, because as a trader you want to analyze multiple time frames to get an understanding of how price is moving across different time frames. Now the reason for this is you may be a top-down trader, so this will mean you look at the daily chart, you'll identify a bullish trend, and you would then drop down to the hourly time frame to look for an entry, again, which we're going to go through later in the course. Or even if you're not a top-down trader, you may just trade off the hourly chart. So if you're a day trader, you just want to be in and out of the markets just on the hourly time frame. Or you may have a strategy where it's only applied to the hourly time frame. Or say, for example, more my type of style is I prefer to trade off the higher time frames, so the 8, 12 and daily. Now as you'll know, I have a job, so trading off the higher time frames mean that I do not have to look at my charts as often as people who day trade. Now depending on which version of TradingView you have, you may be limited to how this functionality works here. Now I'm on the Pro version, so I can add in as many time frames as I want. So for example, if I wanted to add in a 3-hour chart, I'd go here, I'd add in 3 hours, then add it to the list here. Now as you can see at the moment, this 3-hour candle does not appear in this area here. That is because I've not favorited it. So if I drop down to the 3-hour candle, hit add to favorite, it then pops up in this area here. Now say if I do not want that 3-hour candle to be displayed anywhere, I would remove it here. Now actually the 3-hour does come as a standard list, so you can't actually delete it completely, but say if I added a 144 minute, that is not a standard time frame, so I can quickly delete that. But yeah, as stated, if you currently do have a full-time job and you're looking to trade as more a way of supplementing your income, it's best to stay away from anything below the 8-hour candle, because price can be very aggressive on a candle lower than the 8-hour. And if you trade on the 8-hour or above, you get time to think about your trades because they don't form as often as if you were day trading. a day trader may be taking, 5 trades a day, whereas somebody trading off the higher time frames could only be trading 5 trades a month. Now, this does not mean the trader who trades less is earning less. It's all done on percentage, and all this needs to be based around your lifestyle and your trading style against your own personality.